Let's discuss how to draw an ellipse by using the parallelogram method. Take the textbook data. The conjugate diameters of an ellipse are 120 mm and 80 mm. The meaning of this is a major axis length of the ellipse. So I am taking AB is 120 mm and then 80 mm. It is a minor axis length. I am taking CD is 80 mm. The included angle between them is 75 degrees. Okay, let us take the angle between these two major axis and minor axis is 75 degrees. Draw an ellipse by parallelogram method. In this method, parallelogram method, we need to build one parallelogram of sides 120 mm by 80 mm. Initially take width of the parallelogram, it is 12 cm. By using scale, take 12 cm. So give the name KL. After doing this line, take this angle 75 degrees. So take the protractor, mark the 75 with the horizontal. So it is coming here. And here also mark 75 mm. So we are getting these 2 points. Mark 80 mm in this direction. Okay. So keep the scale in this direction. Take 8 cm. So 8 I am keeping here. It is 0. Now in this direction we need to keep 8. K, L, M, N, join MN. Now we got the parallelogram. In it, first mark the middle points. Okay, this is 12 cm. Take 6 as the middle point. Here also it is 12. Take the 6. And this side it is 8. Take the middle point 4. And here take the middle point 4. Here join this middle point to this middle point, forgetting the horizontal axis, or we can tell major axis 12 cm. Okay, and here join this middle point to this middle point. Take the intersection point is O. Give the name AB is the major axis, and then this is the minor axis. After getting these two lines, just mark the angle. This angle is 75. It is a given angle. Here, for this, divide into some 3 or 4 parts. Okay, we can divide any number of parts here. So I am taking this is a 4 cm. NA is I am dividing into 4 equal divisions. By using scale, we can mark directly. This is 4. At 1 cm, I am taking points. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4 divisions I did. Give the names for it. After 1 dash, this point is 2 dash, this point is 3 dash. So I divided 4 equal divisions, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and here also divide into 4 divisions. Okay, as we know, AB is 12 cm, AO is 6 cm. We have to divide into same number of equal parts. We have to divide this 6 cm into 4 equal divisions. So 6 by 4 means we will get 1.5 cm each part. So take at 1.5 cm, take at 1.5 cm one part, and here 1.5 another division, here another division. Now take these points. We have started 1 here. So give the same numbering here, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 1 should come near to each other, forgetting the point. We have divided AO into 4 equal divisions. Now after that, join 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash to C with the help of scale. Now after that, join these points to D. Okay, join first point to D with the help of scale and extend up to first line. Okay. join D1. Okay, we will get one line, extend up to first line which is passing through 1 dash. Okay, the intersection point is P1 dash. Okay, similarly join D to 2 and extend up to 2 dash line. We will get P2 dash point. Okay, now next join D3 and extend up to 3 dash line. Okay, now we are getting the P3 dash. Now after getting P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, if we join all these P points through A and C, we will get 1/4 of the ellipse. For getting the ellipse here, we have to follow the same procedure as we did here. First divide this MB into 4 equal divisions. Whatever divisions we did, so same divisions here. So each part is 1 centimeter. Here you have marked 1 dash, here also mark the same 1 dash, and this point is 2 dash, this point is 3 dash. Okay, and here also divide into same number of equal divisions, 4 divisions. OB is 6 centimeters, 6 by 4 means 1.5 centimeter. So by using scale, so 1.5, and then second one, third one. Okay, and give the numbering 1 dash here, so give the number here 1, 2, 3. Now after that join all these points to C with the help of scale. Then after getting this line, join these points to D. Okay, join D1 with the help of scale and extend up to 1 dash line. Join D2 and extend up to 2 dash. Join D3, extend up to 3 dash. Then D2, extend up to second 2 dash line. So it is Q2 dash. And then join D3 up to third 3 dash line. Joining all these points with B and C, we will get 1/4 of the ellipse. So here half of the ellipse we will get if we join P points and Q points. For getting the ellipse in this box, follow the same process. Divide this into same number of equal divisions. Okay, 4 divisions with the help of scale. Here also give the names. Here 1 dash 1. Here start points from here 1 dash 2 dash, and this point is 3 dash. And join these points to D. Similarly we joined here, so join all these points to D. So already we did the points here. Join C1 and extend up to 1 dash. Join C2, extend up to 2 dash. Join C3, extend up to 3 dash with the help of scale. So intersection point is P3. Now here also divide into same number of divisions. So each is 4 centimeter. 1, 2, 3. And numbering is same. Here 1, here 1, here also 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Join all these points to D. And then join C1 and extend that up to 1 dash. Join C2, extend up to 2 dash. Join C3 and extend up to 3 dash. Q3. Now we are getting these points. Join A and these P points, C, Q points, B and these Q points, D, P points and A. We will get the ellipse.